Today we are going to unlock the full potential of your SSD on Windows. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Now expand the section called Storage Controllers. You will see something like Standard NVMe Express Controller. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now this is where you need to install the correct driver. Go to your SSD manufacturer's website. For example, Samsung users should download and install Samsung NVMe driver. WD users should get the Western Digital Dashboard tool. Crucial users can use the Crucial Storage Executive. Install that driver package manually, then reboot your system. After restart, open Device Manager again. If you now see Samsung NVMe Controller or WD NVMe Controller, you've done it right. Method 2. First, let's change your power plan. Open the Start menu and type Power Plan. Click on Edit Power Plan. Then select Change Advanced Power Settings. A small window opens. Expand the hard disk section and then turn off hard disk after. Set this value to 0. This keeps your SSD always awake. Now scroll down and expand PCI Express. Then open Link State Power Management. Set both on battery and plugged into off. This ensures that your NVMe drive stays in high-performance mode. Next, let's verify that TRIM is active. Open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Now type this command exactly. If the result is 0, TRIM is already enabled. If it shows 1, type the command fsudo behavior set disable delete notify 0 press enter. That activates TRIM instantly. TRIM tells Windows to clean up unused blocks automatically, keeping your SSD fast and efficient over time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more advanced Windows optimization guides.